Have you ever wondered how an airplane is made? From planning to the first flight, the process is more fascinating than you might think. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step journey of how an aeroplane is built. Airplane 1. Design and planning. The first step is creating a detailed blueprint or 3D model. A team of engineers and designers use computers to plan every part of the aircraft, including the body, wings, engines, and interior. 2. Choosing the right materials.
Airplane must be lightweight yet strong.
Materials like aluminum, titanium, and carbon fiber are chosen because they're durable and reduce the plane's weight, which saves fuel and increases safety. 3. Manufacturing the parts. Each part of the plane is built separately in factories. Fuselage, main body. Wings. Tail section. Cockpit. Landing gear. These parts are made using precision machines and skilled labor. Assembly process. All the parts are brought to a central assembly line, where they are joined together. Bolts, rivets, welding, and robotic arms are used to carefully connect everything. This is like putting together a giant 3D puzzle, but with extreme precision. 5. Testing and inspection. Before flying, every airplane goes through strict testing. Systems check. Wing flexibility. Engine performance. And finally, a test flight. These steps ensure the aircraft is completely safe and ready for real-world flying. 6. First flight and delivery. After passing all tests, the airplane is painted and branded. Then it's delivered to the airline company, where it begins its life of transporting people around the world. So that's how an airplane is made, from idea to the sky. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing aviation videos.